Understanding fair value in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore: the phrase fair value. This is a term you might encounter in finance, shopping, or even general conversation. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it correctly in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand and explain the concept of fair value confidently. So, let's get started. Fair value is a term often used in accounting and economics, but it's also a concept that can apply in everyday situations. Simply put, the fair value of an item is the reasonable and unbiased estimated price at which it can be bought or sold. This price is agreed upon by a willing buyer and seller, with neither being under any pressure to complete the transaction. In the world of finance, fair value is critical. It's a way to measure the actual value of an asset or a company. This measurement considers the asset's current condition, the market forces, and future income potential. For example, if a stock is trading at a price that is below its fair value, investors might consider it undervalued, making it potentially good buy. But fair value isn't just for financial experts. Imagine you're at a flea market, and you find a vintage watch. You and the seller will negotiate a price that seems fair based on its condition, rarity, and how much you both think it's worth. If you agree on a price, that's the fair value in that context. It's important not to confuse fair value with market value. Market value is what an item can actually be sold for at a given time, which might be influenced by demand, trends, and other external factors. Fair value, on the other hand, is more about the intrinsic worth of an item, regardless of temporary market conditions. And that wraps up our exploration of the term fair value. We've seen how it's an estimate of what something is worth when both buyer and seller are informed, willing, and not pressured. Whether you're discussing stocks or bargaining at a market, understanding fair value is key to making informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been insightful. If you have any questions or experiences with fair value you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.